Thank you guys for tuning into another video by Chefstiny. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to make homemade croutons out of stale bread. First thing you want to do is make sure you have the perfect bread. You don't want it to be too soft. Make sure that it is stale, kind of dried out, but not moldy. If the bread is not stale enough, if it's too fresh still or too soft, this process will not work as good, so just make sure that it is nice and dried out. So as you can see in the video, I'm just cutting my bread into large chunks. Make sure not to cut them too small so that it doesn't crumble. Next, you want to drizzle olive oil over your bread and add your seasonings at this time as well. I just added a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper, and then some fresh garlic as well. You don't want to put too much fresh garlic so that your bread does not get soggy. You also don't want to put too much olive oil. You don't want to make the croutons soggy. You just want to put enough to coat them. After you give it a good stir, go ahead and spread it out on a cooking sheet. Just make sure they are all laying flat so that it cooks evenly. You're going to bake these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on if you like them light or dark. This was me when I checked in on them about halfway through. I determined I wanted them cooked a little bit longer, so we went for about 5 more minutes.